Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish with soup. We will begin by selecting the freshest fish, ensuring a delightful foundation for our dish. Next, I will guide you through preparing the fish with simple yet effective techniques. Then, we will craft a rich and aromatic soup base, bringing all the flavors together. Finally, I will show you how to combine these elements for a truly satisfying and wholesome meal that your family will love. Preparing your fish properly is key to a wonderful soup. Start by selecting firm, fresh fillets, such as cod or snapper, weighing around 6 ounces each. Gently pat them dry with a paper towel to ensure a good sear. Season generously with about 1 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of black pepper. You can sear the fish for 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden, or bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, until it flakes easily. Now, let's build the heart of our dish, the flavorful soup base. Begin by sautéing 1 medium-sized diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a tablespoon of olive oil until softened. Then, pour in 4 cups of quality fish or vegetable broth, which provides a wonderful foundation. Stir in 1 cup of diced carrots and 1 cup of chopped celery. Allow this aromatic base to simmer gently for about 15 minutes, letting all those delicious flavors truly meld together. The final step is bringing everything together for a perfect bowl of fish soup. Carefully place your cooked fish fillets into the gently simmering soup base. Allow it to simmer for just about 5 more minutes, ensuring the fish is thoroughly warmed and infused with the soup's flavors. Before serving, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley or dill for a burst of freshness. Ladle into bowls and finish with a bright squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Enjoy your homemade, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.